Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try vlogging today. I've never vlogged before. I don't know how much I'll vlog. So today I have some freelancing work to do and I have to drive an hour away. It is 7:09 in the morning, so I'm a little late. I should have left like before 7 o'clock because I have to drive an hour away again. So yeah, I'm gonna try the whole vlogging thing. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you want to see more future vlogs. And I've had a very eventful morning already and I'm also late, so I had to bring my daughter to my mom's house. She came in her PJs and I forgot to bring her backpack with her clothes, so my mom's just gonna go later to my house to get them. So yeah, I'm late. I forgot my daughter's clothes so she can change and be a normal person for the day. And yeah, so I'll be taking you guys with me. I'm not gonna be filming while doing makeup and stuff just because it's myself and I have 6 girls to do today, so I'll try and vlog bits and pieces. But yeah, my stuff's back here, my chair and my makeup and everything that I need for today. So share with you guys some of the trip. Can you guys tell, like usually you could really see the mountains, but there's the fires that are going around here and then the fires that are in California, so it's like really foggy and muggy out here. And yeah, the sun, you can't even really see the sun, like it's so, like there's so much smoke out here. Share with you guys that I don't do freelancing, like that's not my job. I do have another job. I have like an office job. I just freelance on the weekends for like quinceañeras and weddings and even prom also. I've done prom the last couple years. Today is actually the first day that I'm actually traveling out of town, because I always just do it in town where I live. I haven't traveled out of town to do makeup. The people that I'm doing makeup for that out of town live where I live. They're just having the wedding over here, they're actually going to be like 2 hours away, but they're staying in a city where it's an hour away from where I live. So that's where they're staying, but the wedding, I don't know if the venue is going to be another hour away, but I'm just meeting them at their hotel where they're staying at. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Not much action going on yet. I'm just driving there, so give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to continue vlogging. So I definitely wanted to do my makeup today just to look presentable, because I've gone to like freelancing like weddings or quinceañeras and I don't have my makeup on, and then they have photographers that are taking pictures of me while doing other people's makeup, and I'm like, oh no, that's not a good idea. So I have to be prepared. Ever since then I've been prepared to have my makeup done. That way if I come out in pictures I look presentable, because no, that it was crazy. I was like, just don't take a picture of me because I don't have any makeup on. So yeah, they usually do like kind of the side profile when you're doing their makeup and stuff, but yeah, I was like definitely wearing some makeup today just in case there's photography. I don't look all crazy. Had a little bit of construction work in the freeway, but not too crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed some of that out like freeway mountain view and sagebrush view. I live in Nevada, so there's trees out here, but there's more sagebrush and mountains than anything else. But yeah, I'm here at the hotel. I'm gonna get all my stuff ready. I made it 8:15, not too bad actually. I left a little before that. I actually made it in an hour, so a little over an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm probably gonna share with you guys my makeup train case when I get home, share with you guys what I pack with me for freelancing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the room and get started and get these girls all beautified. They're all beautiful, but of course we're just gonna make them more beautiful. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guys, I'm all done. It is 3:51. I finished around 3:30. I did 6 girls. It takes me about an hour or so, like an hour and 15 to do like a full face of makeup. I had an extra person ask me to do a full face on them, and then I had 2 other people that they just wanted eyes and lashes only. So yeah, it was a good day. Made some cash for some new makeup, and yeah, so we are done now. I was here at the Marriott, but it's time to go. My face is like oily. I need like a blotting sheet, definitely. I'm gonna try to show you guys my makeup kit so I can include it in this vlog. I hope you guys have been enjoying this vlog so far. If again, let me know down below if you want to see more vlogs from me. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and check in with you guys. Everything went well, and Mama's hungry, so she's gonna go eat. I want to share with you guys this chair that I use when I freelance. It's like a high kind of director's chair, and I just love it so much. I would definitely recommend it. So it does fold up like this. Well, you can fold it up more actually. You can push it more. So all you have to do is like push on these, and then all you have to do is snap it down. So this is what the chair looks like. And I love it just because this is great for your back. I used to just do makeup on just regular chairs, and my back hurts so bad by the end of the day, like for prom and quinceañeras and anything like that. If you're doing more than 2 girls, I definitely recommend you guys picking this up. I picked mine up at Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And then it also does come with one of these trays for them to put their drink on. And then this is also for another drink, and another drink if they're super thirsty. I don't know what this is for. I never even noticed it until now that I have this out. But all the girls say that it's super comfortable, so I would really recommend this for the girls and for your back as well. And then to close it up, it's super easy as well. You just have to push this up, and then you push these up, and then it just folds up. So super easy. So here is my makeup train case, but this is super handy. It does have wheels, and it does have this as well, so you are able to, you know, just drag it kind of like a suitcase, you know, and it's super sturdy. I picked this up at Amazon as well, so if you guys are interested in this, I will also link it down below. So let me show you guys what I have in here. So if you want to lock it up, you're able to do that. I haven't even used my keys yet, but I just leave them in there. There's 2 locks right here, one on the side, and there's another one on this side. There's actually 2 little ones in the back also, right there, and on the other side too. The only thing I don't like about this is this whole thing comes off. I don't know, like I wish it stayed like up here open like that, but I don't know if it's because of this. How are you gonna be able to like take it with you or what? But that's like the only thing I don't like. But other than that, I really like this. So you just have that, and you open it up this way and this way, and then this goes out like that, and another one, and then you have stuff inside. I wanted something that wasn't too big or too small. I feel like it's like the perfect size because everything fits in there. So I'm just gonna start over here. You did get 2 of these kind of like closed ones on each side, as you can see there. And on this one, I just have like disposable stuff, and also like these Q-tips, because you kind of need Q-tips when you freelance. These are disposable lip gloss or lipstick wands, so I use those. And then these are also disposable mascara wands, so you definitely want to have disposable wands and stuff for when you're doing freelance, just to kind of stay more hygienic. And right here I have all of my eye brushes. I do have to clean all these. I do clean them during people, especially when I have a whole bunch of them, but I didn't clean them on my last girl, so. And then usually I have full size of these, but I ran out of my full size and I had these in travel sizes, so I just stuck them in here. This is the Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray, so this is what I just use to set everything once I'm done. And then I do use the primer spray to prep their skin before I apply their foundation. And then right here I just have some lashes, and these ones I actually picked up from shopmissa.com. These were like $6 for the pack. Both of these were full when I started, and two of the girls that I did makeup on had lash extensions on, so they didn't need lashes. But as you can see, Scarlet were the ones that people wanted, the more natural-ish ones. But these are really nice. I need to buy more of those because these are the only ones I have. I'm gonna skip this and go over here. Over here I just have my face brushes that I used. I didn't clean them before I left. I need to deep clean all my brushes anyway, so I used these on them all. And I really like this brush. I use this to blend out their concealer, and it's really nice. This is from Shop Miss A. This is the AOA Studio High Def brush E103. It's like the slanted one. It was really good. I mean, I wanted to actually use this to color correct if they had any dark circles, but this just worked really nicely to blend out their concealer, so I like that. I'm gonna pick up a couple more of those. And then right here I have my mascaras that I used, and I actually really like using these concealers because I find that they don't have flashback and they have coverage. These are the Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflage Concealer. So I have light, medium, medium. I also have deep and light. I also picked up fair, but I don't have it in here. And then I also have a NYX glitter primer. I do a lot of glitter looks on girls, especially on like prom and stuff, but I just figured I'd put this like little mini one in here too. I have this color correcting product in here. This is just by Absolute Beauty. I haven't used this yet. I just picked it up, and I did use this. This is just a lipstick. I use this to color correct. This is by Milani, and it works really well. This is just in the shade Matte Passion. It's just like a red orange shade, so it worked nice. And then I do find that these two are pretty much colors that people want. It's like a soft, like champagne pink color. Actually, Makeup Geek is the one that I use more than this other one, but they're both like pretty similar shades. This is in the shade Afterglow. Like everybody wants a color like this, so I just keep this in here because I don't use it, so I just keep those in there. And then some of this stuff is like personal, like my stuff that I just use on people when I do freelance, especially like the brushes, because I don't have brushes just when I freelance. Like I just deep clean them before I use them, clean them while I'm using them, and deep clean them again after. And then this is another product that is mine as well that I just stick in here. I find that gel liners are easier for me to use than like felt tip liners on other people, so I just took the Sigma Wicked gel liner with me. I also have an eye primer in here. This is a squeezy tube bottle, so this is nice to use on other people. I have this mini scissors in here to cut the lashes, just in case, you know, their lashes are too long for them, so I use this to cut the lashes to make them their size for their eye shape. And then I also have in here a lash glue, again, to put the lashes on. This is just a House of Lashes eyelash glue, and it's just in black. So I do usually have a black and brown eyeliner as well, just to apply in their waterline. And then I also do have this lash applicator. A lash applicator is so good to have, you guys. If you are horrible at applying lashes, or if you have long nails, a lash applicator is the way to go for yourself and also for freelancing. This is just by the Ulta brand, but a lot of brands have these. In my middle section, I have this fan just to dry off their primer spray or setting spray. It's just, again, a fan. I use it on myself every day, so I figured I could have one of these in here as well. And then I just like to have a rag with me just so I can kind of brush off any shadow off of the brush if I'm gonna use the same brush and use a different color. Like I'll just use this. And then for highlight, I use these. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills That Glow and Sun Dip Glow Kits. I really like these. And the Urban Decay Moon Dust I just put in there, but I figured, like, I don't really use it on myself, so I figured I can use it when I freelance. And this is just like kind of glittery shadows. So that's what those look like, and I just stuck my nail in that one. I didn't use this time, so. But I actually bought this for when I freelance. This is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind. I find that like older women don't like actual glitter, but they do like shimmers. So I decided to try this. I did use this this weekend, and it was good. It wasn't as shimmery as I wanted it to be because I've been using this that's in here, the Jouer Skinny Dip. I wanted something, whoa, what is this? Something's leaking in, oh, I think I already know what that is. So let me take it out now. It was this is just the container, but I actually have this Cinema Secrets brush cleaner in here. But that's what was leaking on my palette, so that's not good. But I was saying that I like this Jouer Skinny Dip Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows for when I freelance, because it's like a different version of than having like glitter shadows on. This is really beautiful, but I want something similar of this. I don't find that the ColourPop one is super similar to this. So if you guys know any other palettes that are super ultra like this, let me know down below, because I want something similar to this. I just wanted more different options, you know, for them to have. And then I also have makeup remover wipes. I use these. I usually do eyes first, so I use these to kind of take off any eyeshadow that comes down to the cheeks. Like I just use one of these to clean them off. And then for lipstick, I actually have this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And this is awesome because you have all these shades and you can mix and match. You have the palette there too. Now here's my primer spray. This is out, so I need to put it in my empties. What else is in here? Oh, this is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette. I use this to set the concealer and also bronze up their face. And for blush, I usually use these Morphe palettes. I have the 9B and the 9N. I actually use the 9N more just because they're more natural colors, and the 9B is more like pinkish colors. I usually ask them if they have any moisturizer on their face, and if they don't, or if they do but they want more, I put this. This is just the Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Wrinkle Cream, so I just use this before I start their foundation. And then for eyeshadow, I just use Morphe palettes. This first one is the Jaclyn Hill, the original Jaclyn Hill collab. 35O, what else do I have? 35B, a colorful one. 35P, the purple one. And these are the 35K, so it's like the grayish cool tone brown colors. So I also do have an eyelash curler, so I curl their lashes before I apply their eyelashes. And then I also do curl their lashes once the lash glue is a little set. That way their lashes and the fake lashes blend together. And then for foundation, I actually have an airbrush machine, so I use that, and the brand is Dinair. So this is the airbrush machine that I use. Again, it's Dinair, and you do have to clean this out between every single girl you do, because of course they're not going to be, some of them may not be the same shade color, so you have to clean it out. But then also, just to kind of prevent it from clogging. I've had mine for like 5 years, and I feel like it's starting to kind of give out. So I might have to pick up a new one, and those are not cheap. So this is one of the popular shades in olive beige. This is kind of like a light medium skin tone with yellow undertone. So I have a big one of these, but usually they're like this. They're little. So as you can see, it's kind of like a bigger size. So I just buy the big size in this shade because I have a lot of like light medium skin tones, and yeah, that is all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my makeup case and enjoyed this vlog as well. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want more of these type vlogs, or any type of vlogs, let me know down below and I'll try to do those for you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.